This is one of the newer tools, some clearance, really good deal. This really nice lids. Alright, some new tools, pack out deals. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon so we can make more review videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We got some toolboxes here, $9.98 for this Husky. I really love what they're doing with their boxes. It's really a pro. Alright, so this is one of the newer tools. This is what Milwaukee has to answer about gas blowers. So this is a dual battery blower, professional, according to what they're thinking they're doing. This one's $4.99, 650 CFM, 155 miles per hour. Can't see really a 3-year warranty and 62 dB or something like that. It does have the option to turn it on and off and change the speeds with the handle there. So you guys do see just like a regular gas blower, backpack gas blower. You got the 40 volts and 80 volts line here for Makita, the newer ones. That is the mower that's actually two 40 volt batteries, and it makes a total of 80 volts. And if you guys look closely, it does have, say, commercial grade. So what is this telling you? This is telling you that pretty much they're getting rid of all the gas and they're putting in some high powered tools. You got the 15-inch string trimmer with the 4 amp hour battery, and you got a 18-inch chainsaw kit with the 5 amp hour battery and a rapid charger. So, and then the bottom we got the blower XGT blower kit, and then the edge trimmer. You got the 4 amp hour starter kit. They got this this table for the patio, $69. That's not bad. This is what it looks like. Hampton Bay. You got a folding chair, $34 off from $69. Some nice chairs, breathable. And then $75 from $149 for the 50-gallon Risen deck box. And then you got a medium deck box with S, $100. So these are pretty good deals. Not bad for the patio, guys. Or outside the garage. You guys need to store some tools and whatnot, hide them. $199 off from $333 for the Bridgeport patio cabinet. That was nice. And yes, guys, they still got these deals. These are fairly new, so they're about a week old. So make sure you guys, shop, because the good ones are gonna sell out. So basically, you buy any of the tools or the boxes on the bottom, you get the low profile organizer. If you spend $149 for $1, or $249 for the larger organizer, and you can mix and match those deals to get that $149 or $249 deal. And then yes, these tumblers are available as a buy one get one free as well. So you buy any of these tumblers. These are really nice tumblers. I gotta pick myself some. I wish they had them in black though. That's what I like. But yeah, they got some really nice lids. These all have some rubber strippings on there, rubber seals. They're not gonna leak. All right, you got the packout accessory here. You can screw this pretty much into any surface and lock it in. Lock that tumbler in. And then you got this slim organizer. Pretty nice. That one's $29.97. You can get that for obviously for $1. Same thing with this one. This one's the full size organizer. You can even use this as a to hold your drills and all that stuff. Take all the guts out and put your drills in there. They got the nailers. And then they got $5.49 for the miter saw. All right, so the nailers, we got 30-degree framing for $329. You got 21-degree for $329. You got an 18-gauge brad nailer for $269. Angle finish nailer for $279. Angle finish nailer 16-gauge for $279. You got a 5 amp hour starter for $199. 2 3 amp hour starter or battery kits, or no, actually battery 2-pack for $149. Got that miter saw, which is actually a pretty good deal for $549. It is the kits. And then impact driver and drill driver. All right, some clearance. Yes, they got the crown stapler here for $229 from $349. That's the first one that you guys see right there. That's actually not bad. More than $100 off on that one. So if you guys need it, this is the time. These are solid. You got the narrow crown stapler, 18 gauge for $229. You got a multi-tool, $65, down from $129. You got a rigid help with 2 amp hour battery, $39. 2 amp hour max high output battery 3-pack for $99. And then you got all sorts of chargers and electronics here for your vehicle, for your car, chargers and stuff. $200 for the miter saw. This one's 18 bolts. $45. This is the air tip kit, the bigger kit that they are selling it. It's more than $50, like $54. And then they got the buy one get one free. Yes, these are still solid deals. These are about a week old. These are very, very good deals, especially if you guys hack them. You do have to buy 2 of the tools on the top. I would definitely choose that radio and that vacuum. Or if you want to stock up on those 12 amp hour batteries, stock up on those batteries and you're going to get that 8 amp hour starter kit for free. So there is the radio and there is the vacuums that you guys could pick up and obviously get your hack on. So not too bad. You got an 8 amp hour battery, high output battery kit for $249. Guys, this is a really good deal. This one's down to $279 from $349. It's a rear handle circular saw kit. So yeah, this is definitely a killer deal. Those have Milwaukee DNA. You guys know Rigid, Milwaukee, and Joby are sister companies. So they do share some DNA on it. $159 down from $199 for the atomic drill reciprocating saw. Nice kit. $109 down from $129 for the 4 amp hour batteries. Then $159 for the drill driver and reciprocating saw combo kit, which we already did see, I believe. Alright, so $109 for the 2 batteries. Yes, those are all the deals. Just a short video for this weekend, guys. Make sure you guys stay subscribed because sometimes those deals drop. Those killer deals drop. Sometimes they're so good they don't even last an hour. So make sure you guys stay subscribed. And don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.